I know.
Authorities have issued a local area emergency for the following counties or areas: Shelby, beginning at 9:59 p.m., Monty, September